Wemangobese Jacinta, ngenza le video le ngizoceba umongameli, ngimceba kuwena ngoba this initiative yokulwa nama-illegal immigrants izinawo, it's your brainchild. So angifuni ukuzenza ingqesta ngathi ngithathe i-ownership yale initiative. Mina I'm so grateful ukuthi wena uhambe phambili wayiqala. Now ngizoceba upresident we-country akasho lutho. Ngiyawubona ama-video wakhe uya-addressa i-nation but kuba ngathi khona into ayibhambathayo ayifihlayo. Upresident uthi umuntu who is not legally in a country akufanelanga ngabe khona le country, ngibeka kafushane. Upresident uma e-addressa this issue kuba ngathi khona into ayifihlayo akafuna ukhetha abantu ama-feelings whatever. Sicela upresident we-country a-addresse ama-issues based on i-act. I-Immigration Act states very clearly ku-section 49 ukuthi in an event umuntu uviolator act number 49 oshoyo ukuthi i-owner itholakala iqashise an illegal immigrant, ibhadala ama-penalties or that person can be jailed, aboshwe. 1. Iyasho futhi i-act khona lapho ku-section 49 ukuthi if i-employer itholakala i-employer an illegal immigrant nakhona iyaboshwa. Now umongameli akachaze manje ukuthi what are the protocols that are supposed to be observed in order to blow a whistle. Lokho futhi ku-act kuyavela futhi ku-section 49 kuno aiding and abetting. Loyo oncedisa umuntu amazi ukuthi u-illegal in a country, amncedise, amcashise njengalama girlfriend and boyfriend agcine ama-illegal immigrants ezindlini zabo. Angithi babacashise emabhulumathini wabo nasematrankini wabo. Benziwani? Umongameli akachaze nje lapho ukuthi how to go about blowing a whistle. Kwincazelo yakhe sicela ukuthi angafaki i-South African police because some of abantu aboku police they are corrupt, they are part of i-corruption. So angathi bayahamba bayoreport emaphoyiseni. Sicela ukuthi i-immigration office nama officials abe fully involved in this process, benze umsebenzi abaqashelwe wona. Now sizocela futhi umongameli ukuthi labantu abase country ni legally abanama visa illegally, sicela ukuthi wonke lawo ma visa acheckwe. They must be checked ukuthi how legitimate are they lama visa abawaphethe. Sicela ukuthi acheckwe ama visa. Uma eseqedile ukucheckwa la eSouth Africa sizocela ukuthi kusale ama foreign nationals lawa anama skills anganawo ama South African. Ayikho nje iskills teaching. We've got a lot of South African teachers. We've got our own doctors, we've got our own ITs, we've got our own engineers. And then mabasesele labantu laba abaku foreign national bayenza the very same job. Isn't it that still ivalela ama South Africans amathuba womsebenzi? Akusale ama foreign nationals anama skills angekho eSouth Africa. The rest hayi kapi. Abahambe bayemakibo. Siphi skill esithi uze eSouth Africa uzoba yiwait because lo msebenzi wabantwana bethu during school holidays. Iskill sokuthi uze South Africa usebenza ikwishi. Ikwishi thina sakhula ekitchen kusebenza ogogo bethu nabo auntie bethu noma mncane. Umsebenzi wama South Africans lawo. Akusumsebenzi ukuthi ungasuka ezweni leni uzoba imaid eSouth Africa. Umsebenzi wama South Africans. So those people, we don't need them in our country. Mongameli, sicela usiphendule kahle, uphendule ama concerns wethu. The protocols that needs to be observed kulaba aba transgressayo. Amaphoyisa wona angangeni.
Ngiyakubingelela mbukeli. Njengoba somzuleke usisi uyakhala lana ukuthi hayibo. Umongameli akachaze lana ngoba kunemithetho sisekelo ebekiwe lelawula ilizwe ukuthi umuntu onje akumele abe la eSouth Africa. Manje na uyakhala usisi uthi hayibo bonke labantu laba abala ezweni fe babhekwe kusala abantu abaneskill esingenaso thina la. Labantu abenza i-teaching, odokotela, abasemakhishini, o-waiter, hhayi cha, mabafofe babuyele back emakubo. Kona kusisi uqinisile ngezikhathi zakudalanyana nje impela, hhayi bekuba nomsebenzi nje iy'ngane zesikole kuma-school holiday zihambe ziyosebenza ey'tolo zipheke nesitokwe. Abafana benza iy'ngadi bathole imali eyi-pocket money. Kodwa-ke manje akusenzeki lokho, sekuqashwa wona ama-foreigner ngemali encane. Mbukeli, awubeke wakho umbono ukuthi uthini ngodaba sisi, siphinde sihlangane eviki elandelayo, ube nosuku olumnandi.